Come on, Will. It's a lovely day. Let's go for a walk. There's lots of things to see in Cydweli. Where shall we start?
Oh, Mum, I want to go and see the birds down at the quay.
Look at the pretty window, Will. It's made of lots of pieces of coloured glass.
But, Mum, what's in this red book? Will you read me a story, please? Is it about birds?
Look at the big strong towers and slitty windows. Will they be firing arrows at us?
What, Mum? Where? I hope they're not shooting at the birds.
Look, Will. In that field over there, Princess Gwenllian lost her head in a battle against the English.
Mum, can I please hold your hand? They don't do that now, do they?
Look, Will. Can you see the birds? They must be nesting in the trees.
Where? I can only see lots of dirty water. Don't let me fall in, Mum.
Look, Will. Up there. Can you see the birds in the trees? Shh! Listen, you can hear them singing.
Your dress is really pretty, Mum.
Will, don't drop that sweet paper on the floor. Put it in the bin over there.
It's a big bin, Mum. There's lots of noise coming from the inside. I don't like it.
Look, Will, let's have a ride on the slide.
But, Mum, it's so high up and a long way to the bottom.
Look, Will, at the birds over on the mud. Aren't they making a lot of noise? Edrychwch ar yr adar.
Wel, mydd y wyl wrth y wal, ond mydd y wal wrth y wyl, dim byd. Well, said Will to the wall, but the wall said nothing to Will.